at first to a normal software development. If you start looking at avionics software development, it will look like a waterfall approach, and the crazy complicated waterfall approach where you start with high level requirements, go into low level requirements, up to the description of every individual component with the expected behavior for everything. So it goes to crazy level of details, and it doesn't allow for a lot of flexibility, because you can imagine that in all these cases, if anything has to be changed, you're impacting the whole tree of tasks. What's different from a normal waterfall approach is the requirement for certification. All the software that goes within in aircraft has to be certified, and it has to be certified by the national or international authorities that are overlooking aviation safety. The problem is that these authorities, they don't have the workforce to read every single line of code. So what they actually do is that they impose how your organization has to look like, so that your organization can guarantee that software is going to be developed in the right way. So there you have one side that is doing development, and another side that is completely separate, that is doing tests and quality control. You have a part of the organization that is only looking if all the procedures are being followed. So it comes to the situation that writing code becomes a very, very small part of what the organization is actually doing.